Allied Reliability is a reliability and condition monitoring solutions provider. Our typical customers are anyone who owns and operates equipment. They all have machines that move or rotate or degrade over time. With all of the new digital technology coming into market, Allied Reliability recognizes that we ourselves have to go through a digital transformation.
It's become really clear to us that no one company on their own can solve the entire customer challenge. There's just too many technologies to be brought to bear to make the solution. National Instruments is a product company, and many of these customers want to have a solution deployed for them. They don't want to buy the products and assemble the solution components themselves.
Allied Reliability's real value to this marketplace is the domain expertise. In our partnership with PTC, we've built an application which really is kind of a combination of a solution and an application inside of the ThingWorx platform. It helps our clients understand how machines are likely and probably going to fail, and tells us what sensors we can apply to detect those failure modes.
That's really where National Instruments is focused on providing our value as part of the Smart Reliability Solution. We're there to help instrument the uninstrumented. Once we're providing that asset health information, that's where the PTC stack is integrating that information source with other information sources, and the decades of experience that's built into the Smart Reliability Solution can take over, help people understand how healthy their assets are.
Our clients are wanting a faster and faster return on their investment, quick time to value. And when you bring the domain expertise that Allied Reliability brings with the technologies from our technology partners, you really can do a quick turn and get the shortest time to value in the marketplace. Without a PTC partner ecosystem, we could not do what we're able to deliver to the market today. One of the great advantages of working with PTC and National Instruments is they're recognizing our domain expertise and they're calling us. So that partnership is not only a technology partnership, but it's also a business development partnership.
I would recognize that the PTC ecosystem is looking to expand, and that there's an opportunity for you to bring your know-how and the industry domain experience that you have to the table and partner with PTC in new ways.